you have learned your surds. So it's actually important to recap all the various laws of surds as well as know how to simplify surds before we move on to the application problem. Pause your video for a while and try to fill in the blank before you check your answers with mine. I have written the 3 laws of surds which are essential. Now I'm going to do the questions on the right hand side. So do check your answer with mine. Okay, the first 2 examples are pretty straightforward. In the case of the third one, take note, we will try to write the number 45 in terms of a square number. In this case, it can be written as 9 times 5. And we can square root number 9. So the end result will be a 3 root 5. So if I want to simplify this particular surd, so same thing, I will try to write the number as square numbers. So once I have written the numbers in square number, I can simplify them. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 25 is 5. And I can simplify further to get a 9 root 2. In this topics in surd, if you see any root term at the denominator, it's also very important we will need to rationalize so that we will not see any root term at the denominator. Alright, so if I will need to rationalize 6 over root 3, what I need to do is very simple. I just need to rationalize it by multiplying by a root 3 over root 3, and I'm able to use the concept of numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, and we know that root 3 times root 3 will give us a 3. Further simplify it, this will give us a 2 root 3. Last but not least, we have the classic example. Now you will see a root term at the denominator again, but in this case, there are 2 terms at the denominator. So what I need to do is to rationalize by multiplying by the conjugate. What is the conjugate of 2 plus root 3? It will be 2 minus root 3. So same thing, I write the same as the numerator. So numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So what I will have will be a 10 minus 5 root 3. Okay, you will see a difference of square when you multiply the denominator. So you have a 2 square minus root 3 square. And this in turn will give us a 4 minus 3. So if I were to further simplify, this will be what I get after I simplify by multiplying by the conjugates.